Episode 88, and I'm here at Audrey's Coffee House in Darfield, and I'm gonna make up for what I did wrong. Well, not what I did wrong, what the tyre went wrong, another flat, and I'm gonna kind of loop myself back around to Wombwell Woods and then start the episode over there. So first off, it's coffee, breakfast, maybe like 7 or 8 miles to get to the starting point. And then, yeah, should try some new trails, so hopefully it'll be all right. Steady away. Well, I'm all nice and full now, and it's time to make us way to the woods. So I'll skip this, and I'll see you over there. But yeah, it's in that, and it's in that. For about 3 weeks. Might only be out for about 15 seconds, but it's a bit of sun. We're getting close to summer. Can't wait. Let's go. So I'm at Cycleway 62 on the Transpennine Trail, Dove Valley. I always go that way, so we're going this way a little bit. I think I've only done this once, and it was the harder route episode. But we're veering off anyway, straight into Wombwell Woods, and then trying some sticky routes, I suppose. I don't really know how it's going to go, but pretty much all of the trail from here back home is going to be new. I've just gone through all the heat map, little tiny nooks and crannies to take us from Wombwell Woods, which is where we're heading into, all the way to Woodbury Reservoir from a different angle, like from the south west side. So that's Mudguard art, dude. What the how is it only doing it on one part of the wheel? I hate noises, man. I can't. I'm not cut out for this. That's gonna fix it clearly. Oh no, it's worse. Brill. Sick. 10 times worse. Love it, absolutely love it. I think that's the best I'm going to get it. It's really, really, really annoying me. Got music though, so I can turn life off. Right, let's go. Balls to it. Getting a bit mangy, so we're just going to push past this, and I'm going to move on with my life. Let's go. I will just turn the music up full if it doesn't stop, because I'm strange when it comes to noises. Sensory issues, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm not cut out for it, so I need to fix it one way or another. Oh dear. Never had much luck with Mudguards really. So I'm not gonna expect miracles, but I do think I need to try and get something custom made that'll just not piss me off. Oh dear. Anyway, right. Turning right here, going down the road a little bit, and then we're in the woods. So I don't know how well this woodland is gonna go. I've been on a certain route a few times, and this one is kind of wiggling around it and going to all sorts of different places, so it might end up being a waste, it might end up being awesome, who knows. I mean, that looks awesome. Where's that go? Oh, I'm absolutely caked in sludge and instantly in a bad mood. Oxygen, burn some energy, try and find some new trails, and try my best not to fall off. Definitely a priority for me at the minute. Right, I've got something to talk about. Here we go. So I've just signed up for Young People versus Cancer, like a fundraising thing. They're doing 100 miles in March. So I've joined up for that, and I know 100 miles doesn't sound like a lot. I'm technically supposed to be doing 160 every month if I'm going to reach my 2026 mileage goal. Yeah, so I've joined up basically, and I've set a sponsorship thing up. I'll put a link in the thing at the bottom. If you want to drop a couple of quid in there, that'd mean a lot. And I'm also, because 100 miles is not really a lot, I'm going to chuck £1 in for every mile I do over 100. So that's a little bit of a additional incentive. I'm going to try and get as much as I can in, really. I will include all miles in that, not just episode miles. Should be interesting, hopefully. Oh, it's nice to do something nice, you know. Seen so much stuff about people, you know, dying out of the. What's the actor from who played from Dawson's Creek? He just died yesterday, bowel cancer. It's everywhere. It's just so depressing and cruel. And when it comes to kids and that, it's just doubly not fair. So yeah, if you can chuck a couple of bob in there, that'd be massively appreciated. So thanks. Oh dear. Right, so we're kind of heading into the woods, going all the way around that way, all the way back up to the other end of the woods, that's that top side, and then over towards the reservoir. So should be all right if I can find some decent tracks that are not super sludgy or super shitty. Right, we're pretty much here, Wombwell Woods. So I'm going to be turning left in a minute, and yeah, I don't really know this part of the woods, but we're going to have a bit of adventure. Like I said, looping around there, we'll eventually end up coming back on ourselves that way. So we'll just see what there's to see, I suppose. Love riding in woodland. Not particularly when it's as wet and sludgy as this. The rain's starting to come down, which is a bit annoying, but well, I'm sort of getting used to it. It is crap, but like I said the other day, it's now rained 41 consecutive days. What a load of shite. Sludgy, can't wait for summer. That is nice. I'm going to come home absolutely caked though. Yep. Whoa! Nice. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? Again, I'm going to bring my drone, but weather's crap, so it's just not worth risking, really. Not for me, anyway. This is a lovely little trail. Wow, bumpy, alright, but not my suspension can't handle. Ooh-wee. What a time to be alive. I know I keep on about it, but this bike has changed my life, and yeah, it cost a lot, and it keeps me up at night sometimes, but then again, I think how much joy it brings me. Oh, out deep. How much joy it brings me, and how much better I feel getting out and doing this sort of stuff. It just keeps on giving. It's not like a holiday or that one-time experience, and although you enjoy the experience, it's done when it's done. This can just keep going and going and going, well, until it dies, obviously. Which I'm hoping won't be for many years to come. Right, we're kind of at the end of this first section. There's some nice bits up there, but right, back on ourselves a little bit. I've been looking at lots of trails, like challenges and meetups and things like that. I think that could be quite interesting. There's a couple in Wales around Snowdon, one in March, one in June, another one back end of August if they do that one again. They just seem so squirrel, seems so fun. And make a little bit of an holiday out of it while still doing a proper challenge. And it's all part of that big build up to doing hard rock next year. I am shitting my pants, honestly. I'm actually scared. I'd love to just get a quick test run first before doing the actual timed thing. Oh dear. Wonder if anyone's fishing. Anybody? No. Yep. I can't wait to go back and do a long set on this. I think I'll do miles better than I did on my Carrera. Obviously it's a much better bike and can take a lot more stick. I must do it soon. I did just do it at Christmas, but I want to do it with this. Out at Woods for a little bit, but then back in a minute. Kind of looping around this country lane, back to the top and then through. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling a lot better for getting out today. I were, well, one would say I was slightly hungover, maybe. Had a bit of a walk yesterday with Jess, finished work and then walked on at Working Men's, which is about 2 miles away, maybe a mile and a half. Went to Tesco, got some little treats and walked all the way to Boatman's Rest, which is on Transpennine somewhere around here. Well, not far from here anyway. We're actually going up Lake near Woods. In fact, I'm going past it later, but I'll stop filming by then, so it doesn't matter. Oh, hiya. Whoa, this is unexpected. Bloody hell. I like a bit of this. Very nice. Interested to know if Phil B, if you've done this round here, because I don't recognise this at all. If not, we should do it. What bird is that? Is that a red kite? That's not, it's a kestrel there. That's that red kite. Right, I'm officially sick of sludge and rain. Done, can't be arsed. Get me to summer, or get me somewhere else where it's not like this all the time. Had enough now. Nice, whoa, steady Josh, bloody hell. Nice. Back into the woods after a bit. Back into the woods now. Veer left, I almost missed that then. Oh man, this is boggy. Proper boggy. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Christ. Absolutely destroyed by bushes. Right. Decided as well I'm going tubeless after I have my next flat. So that's that one done. Determined. I put a thing in one of my biking groups and everyone was just like, yep, do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look forward to that. Well, no, I don't look forward to that, but I would rather pay quite a bit of money, you know, like, I don't know, 100 quid a tyre or whatever, just to know that unless you go through something that's gonna fall and slash it like a bloody knife, then it's gonna stay pumped. And the slime that you put in it is gonna do its job. We'll see anyway. Not worse than doing a ride and having to cancel because you popped. And I'm not changing tyres and stuff out when I'm out and about. You know how hard these are to get off? Ooh. Yeah, this is really helping my brain just kind of zone out a little bit. Been a bit all consumed at the moment. Work and life and everything really, it's just there. Right, we're at another corner now, so we're coming out here, turning right and going back on ourselves down there. Yeah, it's nowhere near as boggy as I thought it was going to be. It's still pretty slippy and, you know, crappy, but to go as far as treacherous, not quite. Oh, whoa. Look at this view. Wow. Nice. I want to come back there. It's sunny. With a flask. Like I say in every episode. Yep. Oh, squirrel. Bloody hell, do you see that? They've got a bloody death wish. Hoping this is the right way. Nice. I ain't got a clue where I am. That's quite lovely though. Need to wipe my glasses, man. I can't. Can you see that? That's what my vision's like. Sick. Caked in rain. This is a really nice spot. Well, I've not been rewarded with a nice path through here, I'll tell you that now. I'm better going off track, to be fair. Making my own little route. Oh, dude, this is pretty grim. Pretty grim. This is boggy mess. Now, I'm coming out here onto the road, which I think I've done before. So I've got a bit of bearings of where I am. Nice though. Definitely enjoyed that. So I once went through the woods just on this corner here, and I think I did film it, I can't remember. But I remember having to shimmy the bike all the way down the hill because it was just awful. Not a fan. Anyway, we're not going that way today, which is great news. Apparently I'm going straight across, which I've never done. So, you know what? I have done this. This is where I lost my magnet for my microphone, I think. I came out from behind these bushes and went up here, pretty sure. Is that where he's taking me down? Bloody hell, it isn't all. Yeah, I got them sticky buds on me here. Whoa, yes. No, come on, man. Well, I can't get through that, so what now? I'm going up and over here without breaking my neck. Nope, Rolling back down, okay. Oh, for the love of God. Let me see if I can go down here a bit further. Is this wise, Josh? Hopefully I'm okay. Nice. Should be okay for now, I hope. Might have skipped a right shitty bit out then. Nice. Or is it going to get shittier? Is that the risk and reward? Gone from slightly shitty to extra shitty. Yep, I think we've gone to extra shitty. Whoa. Okay, this is an actual path. Oh, yes. Right. Connect me back up now, come on. Sick of fanning around. So we should have come out just to the right here. And if I remember right, I think we're near that stained glass window. Not stained glass window, that old window that we moved from one place to another. So I'm supposed to come up here. Which don't look too bad, but... And allegedly, I'm supposed to veer, go through this and then veer left. Right, there's sludgy, then there's this, man. Come on. I've just got to keep pushing because it's not going to get any better. So, oh God, it can get worse though, can't it? Bloody hellfire, right top of my mouth. Nah. Not doing it, I'm fed up. So this is back onto a trail that I have done before, but should hopefully get us to the end, which is the same place. Whew. I'm getting tired. I don't actually know how much I've done. It's only about 15 miles maybe. So we're out of Wombwell Woods and we're over towards, I suppose, just the backs of the TPT. We're gonna plod his way through here to take us to Reservoir, circle the back half of that, and then it's pretty much done. Oh God, here we go. Oh. Whee! Wow. Nice. Can't speak, concentrating too much. Nice. Very nice. Ow. Hit my foot on the floor. Awesome. This has been awesome. That's a really long, nice bit of downhill. Well, it's been an interesting one, hasn't it? I'm quite excited to see this bit of road that I want to go to. See if you can actually access it on a bike, and if we can get to Reservoir that way, because that'd be nice for me, just to spice things up a bit. I think there was like no heat maps at all on the on Strava, so for any sort of cycling. So I'm not going to hold my breath. Right, this is it. Looks a wee bit dangerous, but all I can do is try. Worst case is I fall off. I've got no one to help pick me up. Oh, I don't look too bad. Nice. Saying that now, it might get a lot worse, but we shall see. Whoa, hey. Be a nice walk, this. So the reservoir's just on us right. So yeah, I think we're going away with this a little bit. As long as there's no stiles or like that, I'll be happy. Dev Lane. Nice. Okay, I like that. And now I'm here at the res. Love it. Thank you. Ta. So normally I just stick to the edge of the res and kind of, you know, do the circumference or whatever, the edge. Squirrel, no it's not. And turn right here. But I'm gonna go straight on apparently. Dog lane. Oh, okay. Ow! Whipped me. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I've never been around here. It's pretty nice. I've only ever stuck to the actual path for the normal res. So yeah, refreshing change. I'm gonna need a refreshing change when I get home. Bloody hell, I'm caked. Ow! Oh, proper clonked. Oh, Gio. Gio. And there's not going to be really a way to get around it either because there's a stream in between. Oh, it's so sludgy, man. This is this where I go on my arse? Oh, yep. Straight over. Oh. Look at state. Sorry, bike. Am I gonna have to go? Oh. If this is locked off and I've got to go back on myself. Won't be impressed. Then again, if I've got it all to myself, that'd be awesome. Oh, I hurt my sense slipping over there. Bloody hell. Whew. Not keen, I'll tell you that now. It's thin. Well, I ain't slipped over in a while, so at least that's out of the way. Looks like I've got most of this place to myself because of the flooding and whatnot. Oh no. Oop. And here we are, Woodland Mill. Woodland Mill, Country Park, Reservoir, whatever it's called, all of them combined. And it is lovely. Even better on a proper weathered day. Come on duckies, out at road. Come on, out at road. You've got wings, come on. I know. I want some bread. I love ducks, me. So funny. Right, and I suppose that's that then. It has been a grand old ride. Apart from the slipping and the puddles and well, puddles are okay. Just getting super shitty and wet. That one gate there, didn't like that. No need really. Yeah, awesome. Time to go back, get cleaned up, carry on with my day. Ah, dear. Yeah, thank you all for watching again. It's another one down. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.